Hey my pretties, welcome back. We are in our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, and of course you already know that I am getting ready to walk around and see what we can find. Okay, these are cute. Didn't see these the last time I walked through. Or these little light up boxes. These are wood, trick or treat and happy Halloween. More of the cute signs. And these little lanterns. Oh look, they got some new flour sack towels, black cats and witches hats. I like that one. Put that to the side because I might get it trick or treat. And let's see if there's another one. You got the one with the bats on it that says hang in there. And more booze please. Look at his face. How cute. I think that's it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one of each. Oh look, they got some cute little decorative houses. Okay, I think I need one of each. Do not use electric. Okay. I think they light up. I'm not sure, but even if they don't, they're super cute. So you got that orange one, this one. Okay, I like this one. That is so cute. And then this one right here with the ghost coming off the front. These will be cute to put around. And those are the only three that I see, so I'll get one of each of these. Look at these cute paper towels. That one says thankful. You get 24 of them, or you can get the lead right here. And they have different sizes. These are longer. And you get 14. This one says guest napkins. And then they do have solid colors down here. They have their, uh-oh, somebody put some stuff right there. They got their plates out. Those are pretty. Let me see. Yeah, those are all the same. And then they also have these to match the napkins. I'm tempted to get some of these right here. I think these are cute. How many you get? You get 18 of them. Not bad for $1. And then they have some table covers right here. Those are cute. And this one. And then they have table runners right here in that pretty green, the orange, or this brown. And they are 12 inches by 72 inches. And you can get these table mats, or placemats I should say. Really pretty. Look at that fabric placemat in that green and that orange. Here's the pumpkin plates. I showed it in the last video, but they were still in the box. So they have them out. And then up here, they got some placemats. Let's see what they say. Here, let's go right here. They got more boxes out, but let's see what this looks like. Oh, that is so cute. Pumpkins Harvest, Thankful. Oh, I like that one. And then I also pulled these out of the stack too. Look at that. So they have that one. Gosh, I'm tempted between this one and the first one I showed you. They have leaves. These are so soft too. And then they have this one with all the fruit around it. Like that. Which one is your favorite? This one, the leaves, the pumpkins, or the first one? I think I like the pumpkins. And then right here they got some scented tea candles. You get 8 of them. I see spiced pumpkin, warm maple syrup. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon spice and fall leaves. I wonder how good they smell. They also have the wax melts, which I will be getting this one. This one is cinnamon spice, caramel apple. I think I might get one of each. And then warm maple syrup, blueberry pancakes, spiced pumpkin, marshmallow fireside, and fall leaves and campfire pumpkin. Over here they got these pretty candle jars. You got that color. You got the ones, okay, these were out before in the past. You got these with the little leaf on it in brown. They have green. And they also have yellow right here. Look at these cute little pumpkin candles. Oh, those are so cute. So it's like that kind of speckled type of color. And then they have these that has the lines through it. Look at that. I don't think they say a fragrance. They just say candle. Let me see. Yeah, those are the only two colors that I see of those. You got these right here with the little plant or leaves on the front. Oh, they do have this one, the orange one. Cute little candles. These down here, spiced pumpkin, fall leaves, and they have this on there. You got the cinnamon spice and warm maple syrup. Down here, look at those. Ooh, these are pretty. You got that, kind of looks like a gray color. This creamy brown. This one has more of an orange tint to it. And those are the only ones I see. And then here's some candles in a jar. Spiced pumpkin. What else do I see? Trying to make sure I don't drop nothing. Oh, warm maple syrup. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the jar or the wax melts. They have the cinnamon spiced, and that's the only ones I see right there. I'm kind of excited by that warm maple syrup. And then they also have the how do you say it? Potpourri. Potpourri. I was gonna say potpourri. Potpourri in spiced pumpkin, cinnamon spice, and warm maple syrup, and the fall leaves. Oh, look at these. Soak off nail caps. Okay, so you can use these for your gel nail polish. It says helps gently remove gel glitter and artificial nails. And you get 5, so that's not too bad. Silicone facial mask applicator in that blue or that pink. And then right next to it, you have a gel polish remover tool. Okay, that's interesting. I think I'm gonna get one of the gel polish remover tools to try out. Oh, look, and over here I see false eyelash applicator, extension applicator. Oh, look, that's not a bad deal. They have a full-size Gillette Endurance Cool Wave Clear Gel Deodorant, 48 hours of protection. And then they also have the smaller one, which is 2.85 ounces of the Hydra Gel down there. Not bad, and that's aloe. And here's a charcoal-infused toothbrush, adult, and it's soft. Helps to remove plaque and germs and whiten and brighten teeth. How does that work? Charcoal infused. I don't know, but I'm gonna get one of these. Oh, look at these cute little brushes right here. They look like that. And on the back they have the cute little picture. So let's see, all the pink ones look like that, and then I see this green one. Oh, that would be cute for the kids. There's a blue one down here that has a cute little puppy on it. Oh. Over in the baby section, they have some Beechnut Veggies on the go. I see zucchini, spinach, and banana blend, or apple, peach, and strawberry puree. But here they got some new bags, no drama llama. Those are the only ones that I see. Okay, the last time I was in here, right here, they had the peach, what kind of cereal was it? The Cheerios? Yeah, I think that's what they were. But today they got the cinnamon checks. And so that's going to be it today inside of the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, you guys.